Hey, I'm going to turn to the left and get a little bit of an intercept going on you and form up on you for the flight in.
All right, awesome, yeah.
Yeah, there's some pretty cool spots around here, hill-wise, down towards Berryessa that I've been meaning to check out, but don't need to do any of that today. We'll just go have fun and get some good footage.
Awesome, good. Yeah, I can't wait to get there. I want to add some water to this river.
Nice. Okay, I got you in sight out there, Mark.
Awesome. I'm looking for you. I got you in sight.
So what I'll do is kind of cross overhead and then form up on your left side.
All right, cool. Switching to guns. I think I spotted your tires first.
That's a good thing. There's a good-looking gravel bar just behind you to your left.
Oh, I've been seeing a few of them.
Lots of them out here. Okay, you should have me in sight above you and to the left. I'm slowing.
All right, that was pretty cool.
Got you in sight. And I'll go form on you.
Nice.
You got me in sight?
On your 7, 8 o'clock now.
All right, cool. Well, we're way high up here over Princeton. Do you want me to peel off? We'll reform down low and I'll film your landing.
Sounds good, yeah. On video now, go.
Okay, here we go. I'll brake to the right.
Perfect.
How'd it feel, Mark?
Woohoo, that was good.
Nice. You want to hop out and film my landing?
You betcha.
Sweet.
Mark, walk down. Walk down. Not gonna land all the way up there. Oh, gotta pee.
We made it, buddy. Remote high five. Whoa, we missed. Man, that's what we got to do these days. All right, we are here.
Oh, it's a beautiful day.
Yeah, this is gorgeous. Oh, man. I'm so excited. So excited. This is going to be fun. Well, enough of this drone flying stuff. We're gonna get flying and try to get some cool air-to-air shots of some takeoffs and landings here at Princeton. So should be fun.
All right, here we go.
All right, I'm in formation with you.
Sweet, and I'm going to try to shoot the gap between that big log and that smaller one and plan to touch down past the smaller one.
Okay.
So I'm going to come to the left before coming to the right a little bit.
Cool.
And now I'm starting to slow.
Now I'm past you on your left.
Sweet. It's kind of fun doing that landing from this direction over those little short trees and everything.
Yeah, it is.
You're gonna head home, Mark?
I'm heading home.
You got some headwinds to fight?
I got a battle ahead of me, yes sir.
All right, man.
But
That
it
was
worth
fun.
It. That was worth it.
Can't wait to check out the footage. Oh man, flying and filming, there's something about it that's just so much fun. Trying to create these shots in your head and make them actually work. And well, we'll just see how they work out. No idea. So should be fun to review all the footage. Thanks for coming along.
Cool.
Safe flight home.
Thanks, buddy.
Boom. And there you have it. What a fun day. What a fun day. Even though it was just me and Mark, I'm so glad we got out here. And man, what a blast. Now it's time to head back to Auburn and call it a day. Oh, and by the way, thank you so much to Mikey and Sarah for watching my kids today while my wife works and I do this. Literally, when they said they could watch the kids for me, I teared up because it just means so much. So thank you guys so much for letting me get out here to do this and have a little break from the madness. Love you guys. Thank you.